gotta get it, it's in my DNA. You only see the highlights, don't know what it takes. Last year stressing, got no sleep.
What's up, it's your boy DaVerseOfficial, back again with another review, and this video is sponsored by, yes, first time ever I said sponsored by, new sponsor, one of two. You guys gotta stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. It is like 6 o'clock in the morning, got off of work 12-hour shift. Me, Nolly, and Slim, shout out to y'all. Only 3 of us that really stayed. Anyways, back to this video. Gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing. I've been needing a gaming chair, as my channel is DaVerseOfficial. I work on RC cars, I game, I vlog, I do customization, tutorials, how-tos, so you guys don't have to stress on how to do it. I do it for you. I spend the money so you don't have to. But yeah, I needed a gaming chair because I game, of course. I work on multiple different projects, so your back gets jacked when you get old. And this chair from feels gonna save my butt. It's an ergonomic chair. I'll leave a link down below in the description where you guys can go ahead and pick that up and yeah, check them out. So like I say in all my videos, well, some of my videos that I do unboxings, let's get into this unboxing the way I do it. So here's the box, of course. Yes, it is heavy. And yep, sponsored to DaVerseOfficial. You guys probably remember him.
It's cold up in here.
It's cold up in here? It's not that cold, man. How cold is it?
Really cold.
It's really cold? Do you have chills?
Yes.
So he has chills. I don't have no chills.
Because you're wearing a long t-shirt and pants.
So we're gonna We're gonna go ahead and let him unbox it. Excuse the mess. We're doing laundry right now. Well, not right now. We will. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. He is congested and sounds like...
I was drinking coffee last night.
That's crazy work. Let's see if he cuts my chair up. Let's see if he knows how to do this. We're gonna go ahead and speed through this part of the video. So yeah, let's speed it up right about now. How does it feel? Is it tiring?
Yes, and it's sad because I didn't. And I'm opening yours.
Back to speeding it up, guys, right now. So guys, here are the contents of the box. A whole bunch of stuff that we're gonna put together. And I think we're gonna do the magic theory. So we'll do it after this. So you have...
Tell everything.
So you have, hold it up. We have, so this is the part for the foot cushion portion of it. All right, put that down. And then you have this part right here to lift and tilt. This is awesome. Okay, take that.
I'm gonna be using your
No, sir. Cap, dude. Cap. If it's good enough, we'll probably get you one. See if the sponsor can send another one. All right, we got more hardware.
Wait.
More and more hardware.
I need a new chair. This chair, it looks like my old one, but it's not. Because our old one, it used to go back all the way. But now, this one, it just makes you sit up straight.
Yeah, that's true. That's one reason why I like this one. Ooh, and it has the mesh back. Ooh. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, it's going down. It's going down, sir. All right, cardboard, plug it, file it to the side. We throw it. More hardware. Oh. It's nothing like having a new butt cushion. This dude is capping so hard.
No, it's not.
Man, this is a lot of pieces. Oh, the neck rest part.
This is a neck rest?
Yeah, that part and the arms.
Oh, this part is.
Man, look how he just throws my stuff, y'all. It's crazy.
I'm
Bro.
still gonna be using it. Ooh, the wheels.
Oh yeah. And then
More stuff.
just this. Oh, there's bolts. Oh, we gotta get that too. Just be careful with that hardware in there.
I'm putting it on your desk. This is rubber.
It's rubber. Just leave it right here. So, because I won't be able to see it on the black desk. So we got the instruction booklet and gloves so we don't mess up anything. This is what comes inside. And I believe, oh no. And this is the hardware that's gonna come in there with it. So, as he blows his nose, disgusting.
It's not my fault.
So, I'm just, instead of opening this and showing you guys piece by piece, I'm gonna do my magic in 3, 2, 1, boom! Just like that. And we're complete. So this is what the chair looks like. You have the headrest. I guess you have this handle here, so if you want to pull the chair around like that. Hopefully that's what it's for. So you have the headrest. You have nice cushion armrests. Nice thick plush cushion seat. And if you got a big butt, oh yes, this is a wide booty seat. So if you got a wide butt or you're a big person, I'm telling you, this chair is so comfortable, especially with this headrest. You can flip, adjust it to your comfortability or your liking. Mesh back, really soft. And then also the whole chair leans back. So it's not configured to just sit up like this chair that I have. So this one's from Walmart, which it did its purpose, but it was nice. But the only thing I didn't like about it is that you can't sit in it for long periods of time. The arms do go up, but they're hard plastic and you're stuck in this fixed position. There is no recline. It's just an up and down motion. Whereas this one, you have up, down, and tilt, front, back, on top of, pull this out if I can do it with one hand, which I probably can't. Oh yeah, I can. And you have a footrest. So if you want to cross your legs, get comfortable, you have a footrest. If you want to sit Indian style, this footrest goes in, and I like how I'm punching it. But yeah, it goes in. You can adjust it to your likings. It goes all the way out to where you guys seen it. And yeah, so far so good. Very comfortable. Sturdier metal compared to the plastic. Metal, nice smooth wheels. All around great chair. And my new favorite. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. And yeah, go ahead and get yours while it's on sale, especially Black Friday's coming up. Yeah, it even dropped lower. But this is what the back looks like. And yeah, get a few shots of it. Yeah, like I said, go ahead and cop this chair. Man, this is game changer. Literally game changer. I can lay all the way back. Now I'm not even sitting all the way in the chair, like comfortably. because it's so big. So if you're a big person, like I said, oh golly, this thing keeps going back. But man, talk about being able to relax and game, fully recline, like I'm comfortable. And then you can just sit back up. You can pull it back up, or you can just push it back. It's following my face, but yeah, go ahead and click that link in the description below. Get it while you can. I mean, you can always get it, but get it while it's cheap right now. Link down below. Once again, link down below. And hope y'all enjoyed it. It was fast, quick video. Had to get this out there, but see y'all on the next one. Deuces.